Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my hydration routine for my natural hair. This is a routine that I always do, and it has helped my hair retain length and just be super moisturized. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. So my hair's been straightened for a while, but it's time to go back curly, and this is what I like to do when I want to focus on hydration and moisture. I like to pre-poo with a oil-based product. Today I'm going to be using this product by Found. It is a balm to oil mask, and I'm just going to apply this all over my entire head of hair. You want to focus the product mainly on the length of your hair as well as the ends. So you're going to keep this product in your hair for about 20 minutes before washing out. And off camera, I used my Maximum Strength Hair Growth shampoo bar, which is also moisturizing, and I used the daily conditioner. And if you guys want to see my straight to curly routine, I posted it a couple of weeks ago, and I will link that down below in the description box so you can check that out. Moving on to the deep conditioning process, I use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Intensive Conditioner Treatment. And this is a great deep conditioner that is moisturizing. So I like to keep this in my hair for about 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing it out. So keep in mind that this routine is very hydrating and moisturizing, and you don't want to get moisture overload, so you want to alternate between protein treatments and moisturizing treatments. So my hair needed moisture this specific week, so I did this routine, but the next time I do my hair or wash my hair, I'm going to be doing a protein based routine. So having balance is the key to a successful hair routine. So I'm going to go ahead and detangle and move on to the LCO method. This is something that I've been doing for years. If you've been following me, you already know. This is a technique where you just layer products to achieve your maximum results. Start by using the L as the liquid as a leave-in, and you want to use a liquid-based leave-in. And I like to use rose water as my leave-in. Recently, I just spray this over my hair, and it does an amazing job at helping with hydration. Moving on to the cream, I'm using the Maximum Hair Growth Moisturizer, and you guys know this is my holy grail product, of course. It has 32 all-natural ingredients: shea butter, aloe, castor, you name it. Now, all of these ingredients are great for moisture and length retention, as well as you can apply it to the scalp for hair growth enhancement. So you guys already know I always give you guys a coupon code if you watch my videos. So I'm giving 20% off to my YouTube fam. All you have to do is put YouTube fam in the description box. So 20% off the entire site of MiriamHampton.com. And that code is valid for the next 24 hours. All right, so you see that I am basically flat twisting my hair. And I love to either braid or flat twist my hair because I feel like it just holds the moisture in a little bit better. So I always do that, as well as it helps with like breakage and a lot of other benefits to braiding your hair at night. But not least, I apply our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Oil to my hair, just a few drops, and I apply it to the ends of my hair. I apply it to my scalp, and what this is going to do is it's going to seal in all of that moisture. So if you have low porosity like me, LCO is the way to go. If you have high porosity, LOC is the way to go. Alright, so this is my hair the next day. I slept with my 2 braids in, and I'm just going to go ahead and take it down to show you guys how moisturized my hair looks, and it feels super moisturized, and I just love it. I do this style a lot in the summer just because it's just such a cute style, and I'm going to show you guys the hairstyle idea as well. I do hairstyles over on my Instagram and TikTok at Miriam J. Hampton if you guys are interested in seeing more of my hairstyles. But yeah, that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!